This is on new Cougar Phontum gaming headset I have bought from the store. It's brand new. It's sealed over here. In this video I will unbox this gaming headset, and the second video I will review this gaming headset and compare with my currently headphone Bose Squeezy 25. First, let's take a look around this box. The back of this box is information about all the accessories included in this box. Now we'll unbox this on shoe. My gosh. This have incredible, it's huge E part. This one, what's inside? We have his on the go E part. It's a little thing than the original one. Cable accessory length cable around 1.8 meter. The other original with this gaming headset only 1.2 meter length. Some user manual. Yes, that's it. This gaming headset is around 50 US bucks, US dollar, and there's almost a cheap gaming headphone when I compare to my Bose Squeezy 25. Yes. It's like that's all accessory in this box. This gaming headset is very huge. The latest headphone I have used additional cable. And now I will try to attach the additional cable on this box. Additional cable, microphone. This is cover for the microphone. Cover for the microphone. In my home, I think I should not use this cover because I have many cats and dog at home. Additional cable, very long, 1.8 meter. When you attach with this additional original cable, it will longer than the original one. The total length of this cable is 3 meter. They have two jack, one for microphone and one for sound, stereo sound. Very huge, very big headphone. I try to adjust just the ear part, and I will try to remove the ear part to change it. No, it's not easy. Try to compare on the go ear part, and this is at home ear part. A little one is thin, this one is thick. Oh, this is the left one, not the right one. This letter right. I have R and R. Okay. I think I usually use the on-the-go ear part although I use this gaming headset at home because this ear cushion is too thick, too thin. Maybe it's uncomfortable when used in a long time. I will review in the next video. Okay guys, I will end this video now. Thank you for watching and click subscribe for more new video. Thank you.